So these are the AirFit washable sports headphones, and they last for 24 hours. They're very lightweight as well. Are the sports series. So again, I did get this in this color nude. I like the box that it comes in. It's made for like working out, or if you're going on a hiking adventure, if you're running. I love this. So these are really cool. So it goes on kind of like the outside of your ear. It doesn't go inside. I actually like that more because I'm kind of over the AirPods, because every time it goes in the ear, it bothers me, and it's like in there and it's sweaty and it's gross. But this goes on the outside and it's very comfortable. It does not come off. That's one thing I have issues with AirPods. Please tell me I'm not the only one. One of them will stay perfectly inside my ear, and the other one will constantly come out like right away. You cannot work out with AirPods, at least for me. I don't know what's up with my ears, but it does not stay in place. One of them is always a nuisance. So this one, I tried it on because I wanted to see how it fits on the ear. I think that is very important, especially that this is a sports fit, this AirFit open ear headphones. So because it's made for working out, it was very important to me that it would stay on the ear and also very comfortable. It has a 24-hour battery life. It will work for 24 hours. Looks like this. I got it in the nude. I absolutely love it. And you basically just put it like this. So this just like lays on your ear like that, and you put this right here. So it's on your ear right here on the outside, but it doesn't go inside as an AirPods. So I really like that, and I can move around. Do you see that? I honestly can hop around and dance right now. It's not going anywhere. It stays there, but at the same time, it doesn't bother my ear. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't feel tight and uncomfortable. I'm very sensitive. My head and my ears are very sensitive. So if these are too tight on me, I will get a headache. This feels so comfortable. Game changer. Absolute game changer. You guys have to try this. You will know what I mean. And this is way more affordable. Sound quality is amazing. They do have this charging port right here, so you can charge it.